Welcome to our deep dive into the world of the chi-square test, focusing on contingency tables, analyzing categorical data, performing chi-square tests, and interpreting the results. The chi-square test is a powerful statistical tool used to determine if there's a significant association between two categorical variables. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you have two sets of categorical data. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you have two sets of categorical data. Perhaps you're looking at a survey where people choose their favorite ice cream flavor, categorized by age group. You want to know if age influences ice cream preference. Here's where the chi-square test comes in. First, you create a contingency table. This table organizes the data, showing the frequency distribution of the variables. One axis lists the age groups, the other, the ice cream flavors. The cells of the table show the count of observations for each combination of age and flavor. Now, on to performing the chi-square test. Begin by formulating your hypotheses. Your null hypothesis states there is no association between the age group and ice cream preference, while your alternative hypothesis suggests there is a significant association. Next, calculate the expected frequencies for each cell. These are the frequencies you would expect if there were no relationship between the variables, based on the marginal totals. Then use the chi-square formula to measure the discrepancies between observed and expected counts. The formula involves summing the squares of the differences between observed and expected frequencies, divided by the expected frequencies. This gives you the chi-square statistic, a measure of how much the observed data diverges from what the null hypothesis predicts. Finally, interpreting the results. Compare your chi-square statistic to a critical value from the chi-square distribution table, which depends on your chosen significance level and degrees of freedom. If your statistic exceeds the critical value, you reject the null hypothesis, indicating a significant association. So there you have it, the chi-square test demystified. It's a crucial method for analyzing categorical data, helping you unearth meaningful patterns and associations. Now you're equipped to delve into your own data and unveil the stories they tell. Thanks for joining us, and happy analyzing.